this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to insert a microSD card into your Nintendo Switch. So what we want to do is turn it around. Then you're going to see the small kickstand here that's going to hold up the console. We want to go and lift this up. And you're going to notice there is a slot for a microSD card right here. So mine's already plugged in, so I'm going to press it in. But you're going to see this gold filament. Place this down and then just slide this in, just like this. Make sure it clicks in. So I heard it click. My SD card is now attached. Now it says my SD card has been removed. The console will now turn off. Okay, so it's going to turn off. Now we're going to want to format our SD card if it's the first time we're using it. So we want to go to the Options, System Settings, then scroll on down to System, go to Formatting Options. And then you can go to Format microSD card. So I'll show you how to do that real quick when my Nintendo Switch turns on. So it's turning on right now. And I've been having a lot of fun playing this. So let's double press this, lock screen. Going down to System Settings, press A on this. Scroll on down until we get to System. Like I said, go to the right, all the way down to Formatting Options. Here it is. Select it. Going down to Format Micro SD Card. Select this. Then go to Continue. Now this is going to delete all the information off your SD card, so if you have photos or videos, back those up on your computer first. But you should be good to go, and then you should be able to use this on your Nintendo Switch. You can go on over to Data Management, and you can start installing games on here. So you're going to have to transfer the games back and forth between the system memory and the SD memory right here. Otherwise, I believe you can just select the install location somewhere, and then you can just save all this stuff onto your Nintendo Switch SD card real quick. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.